And then the Arizona blows apart. We see here a plume of smoke blow out through the ship's smokestack. Watch one more time. This is why some witnesses believed a bomb exploded there, an erroneous belief that is still in circulation.
Ironically, had the bomb actually gone down the smokestack, the Arizona might have survived.
Instead, this blast was triggered by the bomb ripping through the Arizona's decks, penetrating the starboard side of the forward magazine, and detonating the ship's massive gunpowder supply. Note how the force from this blast lifts and tilts the mast of the Arizona. Watch again.
It's hard to get a perspective on what you're seeing here. The superstructure of the Arizona was nearly 10 stories high. In these frames, we see the tower rise nearly 30 feet in the air.
And the explosion's shockwave pushes away the smoke coming out of the smokestack of the repair ship Vestal just behind the Arizona. Huge powder bags blown into the air ignite like fireworks. A wave generated by the shock from the blast crashes into Ford Island. Watch again.
Imagine the power that was needed to generate a tidal wave of that size. In the picture, these waves look small, but they're nearly 10 feet in height.
And fed by the aviation gas from nearby tanks compromised by the explosion, the Arizona burns and burns.
This is footage that I have been looking at my entire life. I've devoted my entire life to understanding American experience.